What's up guys, VJ here of YugaTech, and previously we ran a series of smartphones under each budget released in the first quarter of 2022. We'll have the links down in the description if you haven't watched those already. Now that we're halfway through 2022 though, we have a whole bunch of new smartphone releases to enjoy, and today we'll be sharing with you the smartphones under 30,000 pesos that you may want to consider for your next daily driver. First up, we have Xiaomi sub-brand POCO with its F4 GT. Powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 chipset that is 5G capable, it has up to 12 gigs of RAM and 128 gigs of internal storage. This machine boasts a 6.67-inch AMOLED panel with a 120Hz refresh rate, a triple rear camera setup with a 64-megapixel main sensor, and an insanely fast 120 watts charging for its 4700 mAh battery. We had some fun using its gaming-centric features, so be sure to check that out as well. The POCO F4 GT starts at 27,590 pesos for the 8 gigs 128 gig combo and 30,990 pesos for the 12 gig and 128 gig combo. Next up, we have the Samsung Galaxy M53 5G running on the MediaTek Dimensity 900 chipset with 8 gigs of RAM and 256 gigs of storage that is expandable via microSD. By its name, it definitely has 5G network capabilities. This device has a 6.7-inch screen that Samsung calls Super AMOLED Plus with a 120Hz refresh rate and a quad rear camera setup headlined by a 108-megapixel main sensor. It also comes with a 5000 mAh battery paired with 25 watts charging. The Samsung Galaxy M53 5G retails at 26,990 pesos. Yes, another Xiaomi device. The Black Shark 5 is quite similar to the POCO F4 GT mentioned a while ago, but with some slight differences. It runs on the 5G capable Snapdragon 870 chipset with 8 gigs of RAM and 256 gigs of storage with microSD support. Just like the F4 GT, it has a 6.67-inch AMOLED display but with a high refresh rate of 144Hz and a touch sampling rate of 720Hz. It also has a triple rear camera setup with a 64-megapixel main and a 4650 mAh battery with 120 watts fast charging. The Black Shark 5 retails at 26,999 pesos. Next on the list is, yes, you guessed it, another Xiaomi phone, with Xiaomi releasing another variant of the F series, the POCO F4, equipped with the Snapdragon 870 chipset and up to 8 gigs of RAM and 256 gigs of storage. This phone has a 6.67-inch AMOLED panel with a 120Hz refresh rate and 360Hz touch sampling rate. It also has a triple rear camera setup with a 64-megapixel main and a 4500 mAh battery with 67 watts fast charging. The POCO F4 may be a toned-down version of the F4 GT, but it definitely rocks a very attractive price point starting at just 20,990 pesos for the 6GB 128GB model and 22,990 pesos for the 8GB 256GB configuration. And there you have it, Yuga fam. Xiaomi surely brought us compelling devices with the sub-brands POCO and Black Shark entering this tier. Samsung does not shy away though from the competition. The choice is yours whether you'll go with the gaming-centric devices or phone with the conventional stylish approach. We hope you enjoyed our second installment for this series of smartphones under each budget. Please note that the phones covered were those officially launched in the Philippines for the second quarter of 2022. And we're looking forward to what else 2022 has in store for us in the smartphone scene. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and click on the notification bell to be updated on all our future uploads. Don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Twitter, IG, and TikTok, or visit YugaTech.com for more tech news and reviews. Once again, this is VJ of YugaTech, and I'll see you in our next video.